Hi, I'm Marna, and these are Charmin Catty. Charmin Catties were for older girls than I was at their time. They were 1963 and 1964 when Mattel produced them. These dolls were incredible. They said 120 things out of the box when you pulled. You had to put a record in and then you pulled the string. Like Chatty Cathy, only more sophisticated. This doll has on the original and iconic saddle shoes and the glasses. One of the things on the 5 records that Charmin Catty came with for talking, she said, "I'm precocious." Yes, she was. She also is. She also speaks 5 languages, or 7 languages, if you have the records. These little records have 2 sides to them. That's actual little record. The dolls have a little record player in their, oh, wrong side. Silly me. In their side. And you tip the doll. Here's the record. Let's see, I'm gonna put in ridiculous, where she said silly things. Let's see if we can get her to talk. This one actually talks most of the time. Would you like pickle ice cream? She said the same thing, and she's dragging a little bit today, I guess, because I get ready to show her off. There's a dragon in my backyard. She said all sorts of things. She was actually a very famous doll for the 2 years. She was on the Saturday Evening Post, December 7th, 1963. This was a huge deal. This was the year she came out for Christmas. You could also purchase games that you played with the doll. And the way that you played this, she had a record for that. And you put the record in the doll, and everybody playing pulled the string, and Charmin Catty told you what to do. She often won the game. Gee, wonder how. Well, we're having an unboxing today, and oh, and I also wanted to say she came in 2 hair colors. Notice the difference in the face? They thinned her face out a little bit, and the hair looks a little longer because of it. But look at that little look she has. To have a doll with the glasses, the original glasses and the original shoes, great big deal. The little nightgown is also original. It was an extra outfit that you could buy. Every outfit came with another record. And she, like this one, she talked about a sleepover, things little girls would say at a sleepover. So today, we are unboxing what should be a Charmin Catty. I paid for this doll on May 24th. It is June 7th, and it just got here kind of banged up. One of the reasons I'm doing the unboxing is so that if there's anything wrong, I can send this to the seller. Uh-oh, she's not wrapped very well. Okay, trying to be very careful. Her hair is, look where her hair is in this box. I mean, it is, that's why I'm going so slow and easy, and of course the phone battery went out. Oh, I don't like this a bit. She is caught up in that tape. Let's see what we got. Let's get her out of here. Okay. So here's a Charmin Catty with auburn hair, or it's pretty auburn, not just strawberry blonde. This is, to my knowledge, not a Charmin Catty dress, but it does fit her. She has longer hair. Eyes look good. How about that sideways, smart aleck look that she has? All right, let's try her. Oh, there's a tag or something here. 1961, Charmin Catty. Okay, that's just a tag. They must have had it at a garage sale or something. So here we go, quick as we can. Came with a record. So I don't need the one I had sitting here. Let's see what happens. Oh, that's not good. The ring broke. Okay, that's pretty typical of these old dolls. They need, I'm going to try a different record just in case. They probably need a new, yeah, she needs a new piece. That's okay. I was told she did not talk. My concern was damage in the box. So there you have it, Charmin Catty. Blondes, 1963 to 1964. Oh, and they were in the World Book of Encyclopedia under dolls also. They were quite the thing. Thank you. Hi, I have an update of the little Charmin Catty who we did the unboxing of. And she just turned out so cute. Look at her hair. Oh, she has very thick, nice, beautiful hair. So there's one little mark on her face that I'm going to put some zip zap on. Otherwise, this doll has had a bath and hair wash and fabric softener on her hair, and there she is. This outfit, not the dress, but the shoes and the hat, was called a World Traveler outfit, and Charmin Catty actually had, it was American airline bag. This was my own that some friends of my parents gave me. It needs to be washed. Back in the 60s, you couldn't just go get the little bottles of whatever. It was a big deal. They gave these out, Pan Am and some of the airlines gave these out with trial size products. Anyway, I gave it to her because I don't have the American airline one, but isn't she cute? I also wanted to show you this doll who somebody took scissors after, and I hate it. But I did paint her face. She was very washed out, and I gave her a little blush and lipstick lip go over. Charmin Catty dolls are really cute. They're really fun. Please leave in the comments if you have Charmin Catty and what original outfits and accessories you have with yours. One other thing about the World Traveler I wanted to say is it's like Charmin Catty grew up and became my youngest daughter-in-law. Charmin Catty speaks 7 languages. At our house, you have to have the records, so she speaks English, German, Italian, Spanish, and French here because I do not yet have the Russian and Japanese records. My daughter-in-law speaks 5 languages, I believe, and she and my son are world travelers. One last update on my Charmin Catty dolls, or you could call it showing off my Charmin Catty dolls. Actually, something else came in the mail that I wanted to show you, so we got them all out again. This little girl is still going through sessions of restoration. We have a couple sayings that we use in the antique malls and when we're looking at dolls on eBay and such. First of all, the old game show, I can name that tune in so many notes. We call it, I can restore that doll in blank amount of sessions. The other thing we say is when we find a doll that's extremely been played with, I guess is a good way to put it, a challenge accepted. That's what we say before we buy them for a good price. But anyway, I love, love, love that she came with glasses. But 50-something years later, almost 60 years later, most of these dolls do not have those glasses anymore. So I found these for 18-inch dolls. I think they're cute. Straight? And I think they're real cute, and they kind of mimic the other, and I think they're adorable. So I also bought them, poke her in the eye. I bought them in green for St. Patrick's Day. I'm going to go back and get some other colors. I like to dress my dolls for the holidays. As you can see, they're in red, white, and blue. Thank you for watching our videos. Would you please send a like and a subscribe?